Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to MTF Got the Fix. An update from the 1969 single cab Volkswagen or VW truck van restoration project, because this is a project, so had to take it bit by bit. Don't rush it. So I've been just busy with it, cleaning it up. As you can see in here, I tried to clean it, tried to put in some cover seats. It didn't have the original seat, so I put in a original seat. I'm gonna cover it. The dashboard, I put in a much nicer dashboard, or a much better dashboard than that one. And the knobs here, it didn't have these switches here. So this is a wiper switch, this is the light switch, and also that one in there. I'm going to fix this what do you call this, handbrake, or emergency, this e-brake, emergency brake. So but what I was busy with was this brakes in here, because if I can get the brakes right, then I think I will win it. That the other thing is just a minor. That master cylinder right here, this master cylinder, this long thing right here, it is leaking, because when I got this single cab, it didn't have a master cylinder, so I had to take this master cylinder out of that other 69 bus, because that one I don't think I'll be finishing it up soon. So this one I think is a much doable project that I can maybe finish it up before year end and drive it if I manage to get the engine. But with that, so that one is leaking. So if you are familiar with how a master cylinder works, just had inside that cylinder, inside this cylinder right here, there is a piston that pushes the brake fluid, so that the brake fluid can be distributed to this wheel and that wheel and the back wheels also. So I'll show you how a master cylinder works, and I'll probably just do a short video on how a master cylinder works. So the rubber inside there that pushes the brake fluid, I think it is worn out, so I need to change it. As you can see, it was leaking all over this brake right here. So yeah, with that, if I can get the brakes right, know that it is braking, probably I'll just take I will take an engine from my other bus, put it in here while I'm still searching for this single cab's engine. Put it in here and then drive it, just drive it, have a feel of it, see how it feels. So I also put in a I tried to clean the treasure chest. It doesn't have this lock right here, so I just keep it like this because I don't keep anything in here. Tried to clean the treasure chest, as you can see here, but it still doesn't have the petrol tank I'm gonna put it in. I didn't put it in, so I was trying to clean it right here, but then yeah, I want to clean it, maybe paint it in here. So I put in the gearbox, but then with this single cab, the gearbox is held by the engine with this mounts right here. So this mount right here, it holds up the engine. You have something that goes that way, like it is called a mustache mount, I think. So I got the gearbox in, so our CV right there is good. It's just that our rubbers, they are not that good. Even in here, This one is still good, it just needs a little bit of cleaning up. This one in here, I couldn't fix it because it just went apart, like just went apart on me. Hey, the street that I'm staying in is kind of noisy by this time, so excuse the noise. The cars are just going up and down. So with that CV, that shaft right here, just gonna take the one out with that one there, because it goes here on the gearbox, and then put it in. It's very simple. Let me know if you want to see how to take it out. You just take out a pin in there, I think a round pin. You take it out and then you just make it, and then it will get out. Let me know if you want to see how to take that thing out. I'll show it to you. So I got the gearbox in, then this gearbox is held by a mount right there. There is the gearbox mount. Let me see if I can get it down here. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm not seeing anything. So yeah, there is the gearbox mount. So it holds up the gearbox from that side. So another thing that I wanted to do, that I wanted to do before, is my shifting, my gears, my gears. I want to put, as I was trying to put the gearbox in, so I wanted to check if it went in gear, or let me put it that way. So I had a problem that my linkage was not working right. The rubbers went out, so I'll show you how to modify those rubbers also, or let me know if you want to see those kind of thing, because I'm doing this for you guys. If you don't want to see something, let me know. If you do want to see it, let me know also, then I'll show it to you. So there's just what I've been busy with. I also got in the sun visors right here, because for now just want to put all the pieces together, see if the sun visors right here, it didn't have sun visors earlier on. This windscreen, I just put it in here and then strapped it with this wire, what do you call this, rope, so that it doesn't fall. Yeah. In here there's nothing. I'm gonna put a glove box, a glove thingy, whatever you call it. This thing is here, the steering is working, yeah, all of the stuff. So this was just a quick update on this 69 single cab. So what I'm going to do is try to paint it with what did I do? Okay, what I'm going to do is try to paint just one door, maybe put in a primer so that it can seal, like this will no longer rust, because I can see here, this here is full of body filler. So I'm not sure if I should take that one out, because I think water might have entered in here, so it's gonna rust. But then if it heats up, then that water will probably evaporate, and then I'll no longer have to worry about that. But then with this right here, with this rust right here, I'm not worried about that. So it's just surface rust. Publicate 600, just polish it up, and then I think we'll be good to go. Just prime this side. It is still straight, just need to sand it, not polish it up, but sand it. Then after sanding it up, then just prime it. It will look very, very nice. Plus that side also, plus that other driver's side, and then this one right here still. Okay, just hooked it up with a wire here. Plus this one right here, still nice, still straight. I think that person who did this body filler. I didn't do it, I just found it like this. So this person who did this, who prepared this car, really did a good job. So I just need to just sand it up, make it straight, and then it'll be good to go. Just prime it, seal it so that it no longer rusts. So with that, guys, I think my brake system needs to work, and also my linkage, my gear linkage needs to work. And then I also need to get the rubber here, the rubber that goes here for the windscreen. I'm probably going to change the windscreen because it is cracked, so I won't be putting it in permanently. And then also the wires, but I'm not too worried about the wires, because and also the wires, I found this fuse box. So also the wires, I'll probably go into that also, sort them out, and then yeah, bit by bit. Stay with me, guys. I know I'm taking that project and then onto that project, but if you're maybe getting confused, just go down to my playlist and then you'll find them in order, so you'll know which one to watch, or which one I would have updated by that time. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I'll probably put out another video while I've painted this side right here, or another video if I fixed that master cylinder in the brake master cylinder, and then if it is working, because I've been pumping it up, hoping that here it'll squared out of here. So it didn't. So I thought maybe this pipe might have been blocked, so that it doesn't, it might have been blocked because it has been sitting for so long, so it doesn't. So I've cleaned it up, I've done everything to it, but then I didn't put in the new those plastic rings. I'll show you if I manage to get them at the shop. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you do like it. Let me know on the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.